Alrighty, here you go, Algebra 1 kids. These are 3 problems for solving multi-step equations. If you have a problem and you have a fraction in it, we're going to go ahead and get rid of that fraction. Remember, a fraction is just telling you to divide. So since this problem is telling us to divide by 5, we are going to do the opposite. We are going to multiply by 5. So each side is going to get multiplied by 5. And then we're going to simplify. 5 divided by 5, we can cross cancel those. Remember, I can write 5 as 5 over 1. So the 5s are going to cross cancel. All we're left with is just 4x plus 1. Over here we have 25. Now this is just a 2-step equation to solve. Subtract 1 from both sides, and we get 4x equals 24. And then divide both sides by 4. Again, we're always doing the opposite operation. So if here, we're adding 1 to the variable, so we got to subtract 1. Here, we're multiplying 4 to our variable, so we have to divide by 4, always doing the opposite. This one here, we have like terms. So 6x and negative 8x. We can combine those like terms first. So 6x minus 8x, if we combine those two together, that's going to give us a negative 2x. Because we have 6 of something and we're taking away 8 of it. So that's going to be a negative 2x. Then we have this plus 3 here. That was still left over. I can't combine that with the x's. It's different. That equals 13. And again, now we have a 2-step equation to solve. Subtract 3 from both sides, and you have negative 2x is equal to positive 10. And then we divide both sides by negative 2. And so we get x is equal to negative 5. So that's when we can combine like terms. And then lastly, the distributive property. With the distributive property, this is telling us to multiply 2 times 1y. You can write the 1 in if you want. You do not need to. I'll put the 1 in red there, just in case you like it. Then it's a positive 2, so it's a plus 2 times a positive 3. So 2 times 3, and that equals 32. So positive 2, so it's a plus 2, times a positive 3, positive 3. 2 times 1y is going to be 2y. 2 times 3 is 6, and that equals 32. And now we have a 2-step equation. Subtract 6 from both sides, so we got 2y is equal to 26. Divide both sides by 2, and you got y is equal to 13. So those are some of our examples for solving a multi-step equation. Hopefully these will help you out a little bit.